video I will make a demo about first response first decision project. In many application, time is critical parameter. Time is a critical factor, and this project is an example about this. This is the high level design of project. First response first decision project. Okay, this project consists of two main services. The first service is weather service, which used for displaying weather data like temperature and other data. And the second service is decision maker service. For the weather service, this service replicated and scaled up on three servers. The first server exists in Canada, and second server exists in India. The third one exists in Palestine. And for the decision maker service, this service, it's a pooling service, okay, which try to fetch the weather data from three servers at the same time. And the first response, the first incoming response, the fastest one, will take the decision. This decision is taken based on threshold value. This threshold value, it's a configurable, okay. This threshold value in the decision maker, okay, it's a beer here, threshold value. This is the threshold value, and it's configurable, can be changed, okay. Based on this threshold value, okay, we can fire two events. Actually, there is three events. If the temperature, okay, the response which coming from this service, okay, greater than the threshold value, this is considered as abnormal event. And in the abnormal case, okay, in the abnormal case, we will send an email, and this data will be logged in a file, and there is also socket signal which used for real-time action, okay. And if the temperature less than the threshold value, so the normal event will be fired, which will log the data into the file. Okay, this service, as I mentioned, it's pooling service which is running every 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds, this service try to fetch the data at the same time, and the first response come, and the fastest one will take the decision, okay. Based on observer that we have created here, and inside this observer here, okay, this is the abnormal topic that we have created. This is the send email in case of the abnormal event happen. We will send email, and we will log the data, and we will emit event using the socket to create real-time action, like displaying notification in the web page, controlling any IoT devices, all of this, okay. And this is a normal event which log data in the file, and also we will send socket event also with the data coming from the response. In case of there is error, it will be logged inside the file, okay. So now let's run the project and see the effects of this project, okay. As I mentioned, this is the weather service. Sorry, this is the weather service. I have created Docker image, and this service replicated and scaled up into 3 services. First service, it's deployed on server in India. Second service 5002, this is deployed on server in Palestine, and the third service in Canada, which 5003. Okay, now if I change it, make the network latency for the India server to become 1 second, and for the Palestine server to become 1 second and 10 millisecond. And if the network latency for this is the network latency for the server in Canada, it's 900 milliseconds. Sure, the fastest response will coming from this server, from this service, from this area. Okay, now let's try. We will run this with our service Docker compose up -d, and we will run also the decision maker service, but in development mode. Now npm start. Okay, this service every 10 seconds will try to fetch the data from the 3 servers, and the first response and the fast response will take an action or decision. Now let's open this to see the log files. Okay, this is the logs here. As you can see, this is the abnormal event. This is coming from Canada server. Okay, here, because the network latency, this is the it's 900 millisecond, and this is the fast server. This is the fastest one of the 3 server. Okay, so all response, or the first response were recorded from the server that exists in Canada. Okay, every 10 seconds this data will be logged in file here. Okay, and if we open, this is the first thing, the data will be logged in the file. Okay, and if we open our email, okay, this is test email. Okay, let's refresh this email. Sorry, yeah, as you can see, this is first response, first decision alert. Okay, as you can see, this is the incoming email. First response, first decision alert, abnormal. Hi, I am first response, first decision service, and I am deployed on server in Canada. Kindly find this important information about the weather in Canada. The temp value measured and sent by this server is 54, and this is noticed in the following location. Okay, we can open the location here at that time, and this is the time. Okay, now let's change our we can change the network latency for India server, make it 800 millisecond. Okay, here, and we will change Docker compose down, then up again. Wait, okay, up again, sorry, up again. This is this error message, it's logged here due to, okay, due to all servers are down, so all promises were rejected, and this is the first server trying to fetch data from this server, and it's not exist. And this is 5001, 5002, this is the second server, 5003. Okay, now it's running now, and the data, the fastest response are coming now from the India server. Okay, and also it's abnormal. So once we will refresh this page, this is the latest email. Okay, we receive another emails about this abnormal event. Yes, this is the last one. Okay, if we open it, this email, yes, this is abnormal. Yes, abnormal. Hi, I am first response, first decision deployed on in India, and this is the information, and also this is the location. Okay, good. So what else? Yeah, if we change in the decision maker service, if we change the observer to become the threshold value to become 60, what will be happen here? And we will run this again. Okay, to record normal event, it's only log data inside the file. Yes, here. Okay, this is the normal event. Yes, type it's normal, and the temperature it's 54 coming from the Indian server. This is the information, and okay, the level of log information, it's info. Okay, good. This is the first response, first decision project, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.